I'm Ryan Cunningham, and this is Flow. At Ready, Plan, Grow, we show you what's real. This is our AI in action.
Welcome to this show and tell flow video. This is Ryan, and I'm very pleased that you're here. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how we create online courses at Ready Plan Grow using a custom AI agent that we have built. This custom AI agent is essentially been designed to create various assets, everything that is needed, including a website, video scripts, downloads, assets, tools, quizzes, everything you can think of that you would want in a course to be able to scale something quickly, bring the product to market, and start bringing people into your business. So let me show you what we've got here, and we'll get going. Okay, so I am going to work through with you on the previous workflow. Going through this live would probably take a little bit too long and would be too much of a bloated video. So the prompt, what is the prompt that we give our course agent? That would be build a course for Ready, Plan, Grow that introduces and helps clients understand the need for a brand guide and all of its contents. Make this instructional and as an introduction to branding your business and the importance of doing so. This course will be presented by Marcella. So we then kick off the AI. The AI then starts recalling knowledge files that we have built in. Here's a list of all the various knowledge files that it's recalling in order for it to actually create the job. You can see it's looking for a mobile first priority build. It's looking for strict adherence to color palettes, voice, etc., etc. Then we come down to the video scripts and creating a quiz content. So it's decided the quiz content is the best thing here. And you can program your AI so that it could do a quiz, it could do a tool, whatever you fancy, whatever is applicable to your business, right? Is what you're going to want to build. And you can do that fairly easily. So it's created all of the necessary scripts that we need. So we have those assets. So now that it's got the scripts, it's going to then design the thumbnails here. It did try and produce the videos, but we don't have the MCP server set up for Marcella yet, so that we can generate the videos. That's another video. So we have thumbnails here for the video placeholders, because that's the only thing that it's not going to build here for us. So project initialized is starting building the project here. As we whiz through the project, it's basically getting ready to deploy the project for us. It's recalling everything again, double checking back through its work. We finally have a deployed product and our complete branding course is ready. So let's take a look at what it's given us. So if we go to the published site, it's going to publish this on Manus Spaces link. Let me hide this. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So we have building a brand guide, the foundation of business identity. Nice introduction, heading. Obviously, all of this can be changed, but this is essentially based on RPG brand. So it is speaking to our clients. And as yours would too, when you build out your brand knowledge, it's going to do the same thing. So here we have our course modules. You'll notice everything is on point with our brand, with our colors. So we've got everything here. Meet your instructor. Here's Marcella's introduction. Ready to build your brand. We've got a nice get started now. That's going to drop you into module 1. Meet the team. That's a standard footer that we have there. It's a little bit small, but we could always mess with that. So once you go into a particular course, then you're going to have your video, which would need setting up. So you can go in and obviously set these up. And you can essentially work through the course as you go. We have key takeaways on the course. It looks like we've got a little knowledge check here with a little quiz, and we've got some other stuff in the modules. It's calling for a brand template. I'm not sure what that is, but we could always look for that at another point. So, bottom line, all of this has been produced from that initial one-shot prompt, which was, let's go back to it. This one paragraph generated this entire course, which we can then publish onto a subdomain. We can then use an avatar. We can use a real person. You can use an avatar. You can use a real person. You can scale up courses so quickly with this. But the key is the brand knowledge. That is the lessons that we want to bring to you, how to build your brand knowledge, how to insert that into your own AI. And then once you have that, you can start building and deploying frameworks and building your own agents to accelerate and scale your business. It's a lot of fun. It takes a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Ryan with Ready, Play, and Grow. Love to see you soon. Come and see us. It's free. Sign up for free. And if you want to jump on board, go for it. We'd love to see you. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.
And that's the flow. Practical AI, real results. You've shown you are ready. Now let's plan and grow. Subscribe.